package day, boys. I've been waiting on this for a minute now. My address, psych. Hold up, let me open this shit real quick. I had to order this from Europe, boys. All good to see. Yeah, I mean, y'all read the title, so y'all know what it is pretty much, but oh fuck, I'm hyped. Actually, here, let me show you guys POV, bro. Hopefully, oh shit. If you guys are wondering where I got this, or will be wondering, sportshifters.com. Not sponsored though, but no stickers or nothing. Such a shame, such a shame. But let's go ahead and open this up real quick. Comes with your little tool. Some fucking oh shit. Let me see this. Oh, it's fucking weighted too. I knew it was gonna be weighted, but like, boys, this thing is fucking mint. You're fucking capping, bro. This shit is so nice. I'm gonna call Misa over right now, bro. Oh fuck, boys. Sport shifters. This is pretty much like the Black Forest industry ones, but like I like the little carbon touch it has. Oh my. Yo, this is so sick. What the fuck? What else does it come with though? The fucking little adapter thing. Is that it? That's it. I'm about to call Misa over right now, bro. This shit is so sick. What the fuck? Boys, I remember this was the first video I ever recorded. Well, actually, no, I don't think it was the first video I ever recorded, but like, it was the first mod I ever did to my GTI. I replaced the old fucking shift boot and shift knob with like a new one because mine was all fucking. Oh! The same shit happened last time too. I fucking pinched myself. So I still have the video, but it's like, it's privated on another channel. One day I'll show you guys though. One day I'll show you guys. Old shift knob. I'm gonna keep this though because 20th anniversary, you feel me? Now it's just time for sheesh. It doesn't even feel heavy when it's on there though. Sheesh. There we go. This is the height I wanted because I want it a little bit lower, not too much lower though, but screw it on. Oh shit, what the fuck is a deep ass screw? Wait, is it even screwing on? What the fuck? Oh, that's not even screwing on. There we go, screwed on there good. Nice and tight. Oh my god, bro. Dude, that shit feels so sick. What the fuck, yo. I'll show you guys a little bit of, yo, this one. I don't know if I can really tell a difference with like the weight of it, but yo, this shit is so fucking nice, bro. It feels so good in the hand. Oh fuck, bro. This shit is, boys, if y'all need this, fucking, what was it called? Sportshifters.com or some shit, bro. I'll leave the link in the bio. That had the bio and the fucking description, bro. The perforate, I got the perforate. There's a bunch of options, boys. Just check out the website. There's so much, bro. Like you can do like a custom engraving. I didn't do nothing though, but well, actually this is kind of custom. You can see. Hold on, let me try to show you guys. But boys, this shit is so fucking nice. I'll show you guys more detail once Misa gets here so I can get his reaction. This nigga's horny to look at it. All right, look, this is the old one. Check out the old one. Nigga's cutting his nails out of here, bro.
Look at how fucking long they are. And look at this. You feel me?
Perfect nails. That's the old one. How's it feel? Like pretend you're shifting with it. It feels normal, right? It's just whatever. Right. Oh, damn, I didn't even. Damn, this one just came straight in. Oh shit, let me move the cables for you.
This is weird.
Just look at it first. Look at, oh, it already felt. How does it feel?
Feels good.
Shift? Like be shifting?
It feels like I'm in Europe.
Oh my god. That shit feels nice, huh? You're not neutral. You're not neutral. You're in like you're in the gear.
I'm hella dumb.
This fool. It feels nice though, huh? What do you think? How does it look though?
Good.
Look, you see like the fucking numbers are fucking on like the
carbon fiber.
The outline. I don't even know if it's, I don't think it's real carbon, but it looks like carbon, so it looks cool, you know?
Oh, what the fuck? I didn't see this.
Oh, the side ones too. On the side has a little carbon. Fucking everywhere, nigga. Once I have the fucking steering wheel too. Carbon everywhere, nigga.
Nigga, why the fuck do you sit like this? What's wrong with you?
Well, that's not. Nah, I probably sit a little bit closer. I don't know. Cause I was vacuuming right now, so I was moving shit around. God damn, this nigga's gassing on me for my sitting position, bro. This fool, Misa sits like this. Look, show him.
Shut the fuck up, nigga.
Misa sits like this. Misa's talking shit, and Misa's like this, nigga. Like, what are you talking about?
Nah, bruh. Shut up. Don't lie to the people. Don't lie to the people.
You know you do. Misa really thinks he's gonna put this on and start gapping me, bruh. He thinks he's about to put that on, and oh my god. Yours is not even dirty. But it's not high flow, it's not high flow. Jeez, Misa's about to be a fast boy. If y'all are trying to run it, make sure to go follow this fool and let him know. This fool's up for any races. And y'all's the fool too. Ya se cree 500, ya se cree 500. Yeah, you can hear it, you can hear it, you can hear it. It's just that there's no exhaust, that's why, you know? With an exhaust, it would sound hella cool though too. Nah, you can hear that shit. That shit sounds cool. That shit sounds cool.
Oh, kill me.
Yes, sir.
I'm feeling like Floyd in this Mayweather.
Let's walk home, y'all.
Let's get me. Let's get me.
Let's walk home. No way this would just said that.
Come on, nigga.
Oh my god.
Ay,
Ay,
güey. Rent the nigga over.
that shit sounds nice, bro. Hey, the turbo police is gonna come after you though.
Oh yeah.
The turbo police.
Flutter is bad.
Flutter is bad. Yeah, I guess it is, but fuck it, bro. It sounds fucking sick.
Alright. Alright.
God damn, bro.
My driver might keep it.
Misa's mad. Misa's mad. This one just brake shaked you. What are you doing? Oh, it's a red light, red light.
What happened?
He said it wasn't in sport mode. Oh my god, bruh. It's loud how the pops or what?
I like it, nigga.
Hey, did you hear the flutter?
Yeah,
Is it loud?
That shit sounds hella good.
That shit
Yeah.
sounds cool.
What we doing?
Oh shit! Oh, that's close. That's close.
I keep up.
You keep it up with the fool, yeah. I think he would have gone though.
Yeah, he would have gone.
He would have gone, but like that shit's cool though. Yeah. That was fucking. He comes up at the start right there though.
I know. It's hella twerky, that's why.
Yeah. That shit feels good, nigga. Bro, I need this tune, bro. I need the tune, bro. Dude, you
kept up.
Hey, you would have had him though. You were about to take off.
Yeah, at the end you would have taken. At the start, what the fuck?
Nah, hell yeah, bro. I look like a nerd off. Oh my god. Bro, that shit sounds nice, dude. Holy shit. Hell yeah. You guys can't race downtown, bro.
Yeah, that's kind of sus.
Not here, bro.
That's sus.
What the fuck, you gonna race to the police station? Golly. I need the tune right now.
Nigga, that shit can't vlog, nigga. What the fuck?
Hey, Misa, I'ma come get your ass, nigga. I'm about to come get your ass for real. Never mind, never mind. Mama Whiskey's got a muffler delito. Let's see. You think? How do you think?
Oh, that sounds cool, nigga.
That shit sounds clean, bro. Hey, that shit sounds clean, for real.
Nigga, my hands is sweating if I'm cool that shit down.
Sheesh.
I didn't put a. Which one? This nigga's
Cuando le pises va a arrancar.
Let's get it. You walking home.
Claro. Písale para arrancar.
Go that way, go that way, go that way.
¿Otra vez quieres escuchar?
Yeah, look at him.
Wait, let me see outside though.
Otra vez, una más. Wait, let me get out. Una más.
Let's get out.
Wait, how do you put in neutral?
Under reverse. Cause it actually sounds cool, bro.